Today I'm talking about Facebook hack. If you search in Google, how to hack Facebook, there are many websites in the internet and YouTube saying that we'll hack our Facebook. Only type your email, it takes only 2 minutes. Hello YouTube. Welcome to Green Tech Channel. Before starting the video, please hit subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to notify every update of the channel. Let's begin. If you search in Google, how to hack Facebook, you will find many websites in the internet saying that we'll hack Facebook. Only type your email, it takes only 2 minutes. When you go inside the website, you will find, our website is this, that. We use this to hack Facebook. But they do not do anything. These websites are making you fool. You are wasting your time. Don't ever believe in these websites. These websites can hack the Facebook account, which is not create also. Why these websites do so? They do 1. To traffic in the websites. 2. To get view in the website. 3. To earn money. 4. To run their website business. And so on. They even ask money to hack Facebook. My suggestion is, don't ever never give money to them. Now you are thinking, why it gets hacked? There are many reasons that it gets hacked. 1. Phishing attack. 2. Keyloggers in your devices. 3. Forgot password options. 4. Insecure Wi-Fi password. 5. Secondary email or phone number option. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you find any missing in this video, please comment and share it to your friend and relative, and don't forget to like our Facebook page, the link is in the description below. And also visit our website. Thank you. And see you soon.